Ayan, so happy Thursday team. So, for today's assignment, nag-assign na po ako, updated na po yung venue tracker natin today. Ayan, so mag-share lang din po ulit ako ng another video to share some important reminders regarding yung venue assignments. So before that, sa mga tawag dito, remind ko lang po ulit yung mga part-time employees to please make sure to indicate your preferred work days weekly. So, kasi ang i-a-assume ko dito for example is everyday ko na ba kayong a-assignan. Actually si Rai kasi is I always assign naman Rai everyday. And then, good job Rai kasi nag-indicate siya na for 4:22 and also nag-ping din siya na hindi siya makakapasok ng 4:22 which is why mas madali sa akin na kapag na-adjust ko yung mga invoice assign sa kanya. So ikaw din Vansh, I'm not sure din kasi kung ano ba yung preferred workdays mo. So please make sure to update it every Monday so I can have the visibility. Medyo nahirapan akong mag-monitor talaga kasi given that iba-iba yung schedule natin at saka yung workday. Ayun. So yun. So please make sure pa-follow na lang dito kasi kung wala, I will assume na a-assignan kita everyday. Now, kapag hindi mo natapos siya, for example, puwede kang ma-flag kasi may SOP guidelines na tayo. Medyo maghihigpit na rin kasi ako talaga kasi yung sa taas naghihigpit na rin talaga at nagtatanong rin sa'kin. Especially since sa productivity hours ng mga part-time at saka yung sa full-time employees din, 'yan. And then second, reminder ko na lang din is yung sa full-time employees natin over the weekend, ayan. So since currently we have 2 full-time employees, prioritizing yung sa weekend shift natin. Ayun. So siguro, isa sa mga naisip ko is to train na rin diyan, Ray, sa mga VIP venues para in case, for example, Joshua, let me know if you prefer to have a workday ng normal from Monday to Friday. Yon, ng Monday and Friday para at least kasi mas kailangan rin talaga natin ng full-time employees ng weekdays. Yon, 'yun. Pero ite-train ko na rin si John Ray sa VIP venues para at least may isang full-time employees na mag-oversee ng ating VIP over the weekend. And 'yun din naman pinaka-reason kung bakit din nag-set up ng tawag dito, ng FTEs or employees na magwo-work ng weekend apart din sa mga part-time employees din na nagwo-work ng weekend kung hindi kaya ng weekdays, ayan. And then another reminder which is ito yung pinaka-important, reporting accuracy natin. As you can see, I have already started to consolidate report na rin. As you can see meron na rin akong na-flag dito. So JR, please ano na lang din, pa-check na lang din and then please indicate your reason for marking this venue as completed. So upon reviewing or upon checking, there are two invoices uploaded dito nung nag-run ako from yesterday, dated April 8. However, it was not yet processed or handled at all. So dun kasi siya pumasok from the time na nag-assign ako sa'yo. Yun, so pa-check na lang din bakit mo siya minark as completed. So this one, itong file tracker pala natin, si Oliver has the visibility and aware din siya dito sa consolidate report as part nung sa SOP guideline natin. Okay, so yung mga hindi magsusunod ng venue tracker or yung mga magre-report ng inaccurate, yun. And then for our venue assignments for today, there are three additional venues assigned to our pod yesterday. Ngayon ko lang din inassign siya kasi kaka-assign ng team ni Olivier to help out din yung ating sa productivity especially for our full-time employees. Now as you can see nakadilaw may mga nakadilaw or highlighted in yellow. So itong mga venues na 'to has been assigned sa inyo previously that you need to focus or prioritize before proceeding with the other venue assignments. So ito JR, ito yung mga venue assigned na inassign ko pa sa'yo from yesterday. Okay, so it is expected that you will complete everything before your shift ends today. Ito yung mga yon. And then for tomorrow, I have also assigned ito yung mga additional venues sa'yo. And in addition kung may hindi ka matatapos dito. Pero given that ayoko naman mag-compare pero kahapon kasi nag-handle rin ako ng mga mahaba talaga invoices. Most of the VIP venues, they are switching from Cisco to GFS. They contain 5 pages din. So yon, so as full-time employee din, ayan, so we are expecting din na matatapos mo 'to. Kasi medyo madami-dami nung nag-assign ulit ako. And given na yung sa pasatiempo para lang din ma-gets ninyo Joshua and JR, pasatiempo you may get at least 5 invoices per day until we can complete yung 100 invoices. So magsu-supersede 'to or tawag dito, pasunod itong bagong venue assignments kung ano yung pino-post ko po per day, yun yung susundin ninyo. Nag-iiba-iba tayo na baka naiisip niyo, "O pasatiempo stick ako dun." Hindi. Nagke-carry over lang ako, ini-strategize ko at iniiba-iba ko yung number of invoices na ini-a-assign lang sa inyo, para at least to cater yung mga important other venues natin. So eto yun. So eto rin kay John Ray, 'yan. Nagdagdag na lang din ako ng venues and to si Baroma Genre, they have actually 57 uploaded invoice but I am not, requiring you to complete everything. So kahit until Saturday shift or until yon Saturday or Sunday shift, yon yung required for you to complete this, specific venue. And then, for you Joshua, I also assign yung Baroma Beverage as you can see. Dito naglagay ako dito shared with other team member. Ayan, so pa-start muna si mga April 18, which is, April 18, sorry. April upload invoices natin which, Oliver naman in-indicate din niya sa ating Slack, 'di ba? And, also to Vanch, I also assign to you kung 4:35 makakapag-check-in ka, you can also process invoices from this venue. Same also with Rai, I also assign I actually assign high number of invoices which is the downtown lounge. Yeah, which have 25 invoices. Ayan. For your today shift naman din. Ayan. So if ever na meron din pa kayong bandwidth, let's say for example, you can also work on this one invoice assignment. I only get at least 100 invoices. And then please make sure to update the file tracker. But please make sure before you proceed on this one, on this venue, please make sure to complete first all the venue assigned under your name bago tayo mag-jump sa iba pang venue assignment. Yun lang. If ever na medyo nako-confuse kayo sa pag-assign ko ng venue, talagang nag-iiba ako ng pag-a-assign kasi kailangan nating ma-prioritize kung ano man yung dapat i-prioritize. Kahit mahaba yung invoices or marami yung invoices uploaded in a venue, kung mapapansin niyo ina-adjust ko 'yun, para lang yung ibang venues, 'yun. So if ever guys, may questions kayo, JR please make sure na lang din pa-update 'tong tab ha, para ma-check ko kung yung reason mo, 'yan. 'Yun lang, if ever may questions po kayo, let me know or may concern kayo, please stop me na lang din, 'yan. 'Yun lang po, thank you.